Hey guys, today we're going to solve for equations like this. These are one-step equations. So basically what we're looking for here is a value for x. So what we need the equation to end up like is x equals some number. So always what we want to do here is isolate x, get it all by itself. And the only thing keeping x from its being by itself is this -3 here. So how we get rid of a -3 is we just simply add 3, and this will go to 0 because 3 minus 3 is 0, or -3 plus 3 is 0. But because there's an equal sign here, what we do on one side we must do on the other side to make them equal. So we must add 3 on this side as well. So what we end up with is x equals 4 plus 3. And then we can do that simple math. X equals 7. And that is our answer. So we'll now go to this question here, which is a bit different. So here we're not adding this 2. Instead, we're multiplying by 2, so it's 2 times x equals -6. So when we're multiplying, we must divide out to get rid of this 2. So to get rid of this 2, we must divide by 2, and those will cancel each other out because any number divided by itself is always just 1. So what we do on this side, we must do on the other side. So this will be -6 divided by 2. So we're left with 1x equals -6 over 2. So now you might be thinking, well, now we're going to have to divide this 1 over. But no, actually, any number times 1 is just itself. So we can simply just say x equals -6 divided by 2 is -3. So simply x equals -3. If you ever have trouble with these questions or are unsure about your answer, you can always check them by plugging your x value back into the equation and making sure it makes sense. So our equation to start with was 2x equals -6. So if we plug that -3 back in for x, we get 2 times -3 equals -6. So then we go 2 times -3 is -6, and that equals -6. So we know our answer was correct because we got equivalent values on either side. So that's all for today, guys. Make sure you check the description down below for information on getting a private tutor via Skype, and I will see you guys in another video.